Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can eliminate spring noise on any cube with one product. So let's just get straight into the video. So as you can see, the product that we're going to be using is petroleum jelly and some Q-tips. So I used this on my RS3M, which was really bad at spring noise at first, and I didn't think it was going to work, but I tried it out because it's a heavier type of thing, and heavier lubes eliminate spring noise. So you can still hear the spring noise, but it's very, very much dimmed. Now on the 7x7, which I've been wanting to fix for a while, I just thought I'd make a video on it. The spring noise is very loud, but it's only on a few sides. So what I'm going to do is go to each side and fix it. So let's just get straight into how to do that. So the first step is that you're going to take off the center caps. Again, this does not need to be just a 7x7, or it can be literally any cube that you want. It might be a little bit harder if you have a cube with like a spring compression or something, but it will still work. You just need to follow these steps. So first, take off the centers. Okay, so once you got the centers off, make sure they're in a good spot and put them to the side. We won't be needing them for a while. So what you're going to need to do is unscrew one of the sides. We're not doing all of them at once. We're just going to unscrew this one side. Okay, so let's just start with that. Got your screw out. You're also going to want to take out your spring. And what it will look like is something like this. So now is when you want to get your petroleum jelly out. And the first thing we're going to do is get your Q-tip and a little bit, slightly, put a little bit down in the middle of the center. It's going to get all over and your hands are going to get a bit dirty, but it's going to be worth it, trust me. Okay, so once we got a little bit of that in there, we're going to go ahead and put this spring back in. Wipe off any of the excess petroleum jelly and go ahead and put the nail back in and screw in again. So once you got all that done, make sure to put the center cap back on so you will know which one you've done. And then go ahead and go back to any other side that you want to. So for example, the red side. I'm going to skip a little bit more through this because you already know the steps. So I'm going to fast forward this a little bit. And there you have it. You have finished your 7x7 or whatever cube you have used, and it now has no spring noise. Congratulations. Now you can relax and just solve a cube without having to worry about listening to that ugly noise of the springs. Thanks for watching, guys, and comment down below if this was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.